Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ashanna Ratipelli. In this video, I would like to do solutions to exercise questions. While watching this video, you are to concentrate. Exercise 14.3, question number 6. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surnames was obtained as follows. Number of letters 1 to 4, number of surnames 6, 4 to 7 30, 7 to 10 40, 10 to 13 16, 13 to 16 4, 16 to 19 4. Determine the median number of letters in the surnames. Find the mean number of letters in the surnames. Also find the model size of the surnames. First, we have to find the median. In this, we have to find median, mean, mode. We have to find 3 answers. First, median. To find median, first we have to complete the cumulative frequency. I arranged this row table as column table as it is. Number of letters, number of surnames. Now we have to complete this third column cumulative frequency like this. 6 plus 30, 36, 36 plus 40, 76, 76 plus 16, 6 plus 12, 2, 7, 92, 92 plus 4, 96, 96 plus 4, 100. So 100. Here also number of sum of frequencies 100. So tally. So this is correct. Here we have sum of frequencies, that is number of frequencies total 100. We have to find n by 2 basing this. N by 2 means n is total 100, so that's why n by 2 is equal to 100 by 2 is equal to 2 ones, 2 5s, 0, 50. The cumulative frequency just greater than 50 is 76. Therefore the median class is 76, 7, 10. Basing this median class, we can find median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by small f into H. This is the formula to find median. Here L, we have to know L, n by 2, CF and small f and H. These we have to know. Basing this median class, we can identify these all values. First, L, lower boundary, median class. Where is the median class? 710. 7, 10 is the median class. This is the median class. We have to identify this clearly. This is median class. Median class. Basing this median class, we can identify L. L is lower boundary of this median class, 7, n by 2 already found here, 50. CF, frequency of a class preceding the median class. So this is CF 36. Frequency of this class, median class, is frequency 40. And H, height of the class 3. Now we have to substitute these values in this formula. Median is equal to L, 7, 50 minus 36 by 40 into 3. 7, 50 minus 36, 14 into 3 by 40. 2 7s are 2 2s 0, that is equal to 7 plus 7 3s are 21 by 20. First we have to cancel this with the 2 table, 2 1s, 2 zeros, 2 5s by 2 1s, 2 zeros. To divide by 10, we have to shift the decimal to the left by 1 place. So 7 plus 1.05. We have to add this 7, 1.05, 508. 8.05 is the median. This is the first answer. Next, we have to find mean. To find mean, we use short deviation method. Mean by short deviation method. Mean is equal to A plus H into sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi. This is the formula for finding mean. In this, we have to know A, H, sigma Fu and sigma F. To know these values, we have to complete this table. Class marks. Class mark means average of this class. X is equal to 1 plus 4 by 2, 5 by 2. X is equal to 2.5. 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 5s. 2.5. So 2.5. Next class marks we can find basing height of the class. Height of the class H is equal to 3. By adding 3 for this, we can get next 2 plus 3, 5.5, 8.5, 11.5, 14.5, 17.5. So these are class marks or mid values. Next, in this class mark, we have to choose any of the value, assuming value. Generally, we will take middle value as assuming value. So this is A. So here we have to write A is equal to 8.5, and also know H is equal to what? 3. Next we have to know sigma Fi Ui, sigma Fi. Here we have sigma Fi 100. Now we have to know sigma Fi Ui. We can find it from this. Here we have to keep 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, 3. Here sigma Fi Ui. Fi Ui, here is the frequency, here is the Ui. 6 2s are 12, -12, 30 1s are 30, -30, 40 zeros are 0, 16 1s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So negative numbers -42, positive numbers 20, 36. Subtracting this 12, here 3, 12 minus 6, 6, 3 minus 3, 0. This minus sigma Fi Ui is equal to -6. Substituting these values in this formula, we can find the mean. This is the formula for finding mean in simplest form. A value 8.5, H 3, sigma Fu -6 by 100. 8.5 plus and minus 3 6 are 18 by 100. To divide by 100, we shift the decimal to the left by 2 places. But where is decimal in this number? Here we have the decimal point. We have to shift to left to the left to 2 places. So 8.5 minus 0.18. We have to subtract 8.5 minus 0.18. 10, 2, here 4 only. 4 minus 1, 3, 8. So 8.32. This is mean. Answer 2. Now we have to find mode of this data. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is the formula for finding mode. Here we have to know L, F1, F0, F2 and H. These we have to know. How to find this? L is what? Lower boundary of the model class. How to identify model class? The frequency which is high, that is model class. So in this is the high. So this is called, this is 7, 10 class is model class. Now we can identify L. L is lower boundary of the model class. F1 frequency of class the preceding the model class. This is F1 frequency of the model class 40. F0 preceding frequency 30. Next to F2 succeeding frequency of the model class 16. H height of the class 3. Basing these values we can find the mode substituting the values in this formula. Now L is equal to 7, 40 minus 30 by 2 into 40 minus 30 minus 16 into 3. 7 plus 40 minus 30, 10 into 3 by 2, 40 is 80 minus 30 minus 16 minus 46 into 3 here written 7, 10 into 3, no need of multiply now. 80 minus 46, 34, 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 7s are 7 plus 5 3s are 15 by 17. 7 plus we have to divide 15 by 17. 15, 17 zeros are 0, 5, 1, place this decimal, we have to bring down this 0. Now 17 8s are 136, 4, 10 minus 0, 4, 6, 4, here 4 only, 4 minus 3, 1, bring down this 0, 17 8s are 136, so 10 minus 6, 4, here 3 only, 0, so approximately 0.88, 7.88, this is the mode. So answer 3. Question number 7. The distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. Weight in kg, 40 to 45, number of students 2, 45 to 53, 50 to 55 8, 55 to 66, 60 to 65 6, 65 to 73, 70 to 75 2. For finding median, first we have to write this data column wise and also find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of this frequency 2 plus 3, 5 plus 8, 6, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 6, 25, 25 plus 3, 28, 28 plus 2, 30. So here we got 30. The number of frequencies, sigma fi is equal to n, total number of frequencies 30, tally. So basing this, we can find n by 2, 30 by 2 is equal to 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 15. The cumulative frequency CF, cumulative frequency just greater than 15 is 19. Therefore the median class median class is 5560. 5560. So this is the median class 5560. We have to identify this clearly. Basing this only we can find all the values. Median class. Now we can identify all the values basing this median class. To find median, we have the formula median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by small f into h. This is the formula for finding median. In this, here L n by 2 CF f h. We have to find all this. We have to know all these values. So here L lower boundary of the median class. So 55 n by 2 15 cumulative frequency CF cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So this is the CF 13. F is the frequency of median class 6. Height of the class 42 45 5. Difference of the lower limits or higher limits. So these are the values we have to substitute in this formula. Then we can find a median. In place of L, we have to substitute 55 plus n by 2 15 CF 13 by F6 into H5. 55 plus 15 minus 13 2 by 6 into 5. 55 2 ones 2 threes. So 5 by 3. Now we have to divide 5 by 3. 5 3 ones are 3. We have to place this decimal point in this quotient, then bring down 0 here 2. 3 6 are 18. 2 3 6 are 18. 2. So 1.66. That is equal to 55. We have to add 55 to this 6 56 56.266 and so on. So 56.267 approximately. So this is the median.